I thought. Bozo. Stupid. Garbage. Off. At least one of them went off. Not a fail.
The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches in the following counties. In Pennsylvania,
You're annoying.
Bucks, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Pike and Schuylkill, and in New Jersey, Hunterdon.
Alright, no shit, no shit, no shit. No shit. Good job. Congratulations. Thank you. Trash and eye-fracturing law.
Here is the regional weather forecast.
Back behind you go.
Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the lower 50s.
And God damn it.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey, issued at 10:09 a.m., Wednesday, November 23rd. Rest of today, northwest winds around 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Tonight, northwest.
Alright, I'll recap. Recom 400, 74200, 519, alert works, 258, forgot to turn you on, you suck. Good job. Zone guard, your tuner's dead.
2 feet at 8 seconds.
Yeah, dead. Sanjin, no surprise. 400, no surprise. You failed. Good job. And I would say good job, but then that happened, so therefore, fuck you. Fuck you. Shoo. Little fucker. Turn your ass off for this little shit.